So the one big innovation that we're unleashing here in July, it's never been done before, and we're super excited about it. And I've showed it to you. Like I've been talking about it for years.
That's one of the reasons I'm here.
Well, it took years to put it together. And what it is, it's fault code to part number.
Right.
Because today's process for people in the repair process is a technician hooks one tool up to a piece of equipment, gets the fault code, then goes to a completely separate system and looks up the repair information, and then goes to a completely separate system or department to figure out what part number needs to buy to fix it after you diagnosed it, and usually go to a fourth system to actually put the order in. Right? You're like, and that process, we've asked people, I don't know, have you asked like the average time it takes to look up a part? We know from when we've talked to customers, just that process of going from fault code to part number, minimum an hour, usually more. And that's when if somebody has it in stock. If they don't have it in stock and they're making the phone calls and trying to find alternatives, that's a whole nother thing. And what we built is basically in the tools itself, even like our little tool coming out where we use a phone to go from I plug my tool in, here's the part number I need to buy to fix my truck, and all the other aftermarket alternatives in less than 3 minutes.
Right.
And to us, that's a huge game changer, which saves a lot of time for a lot of people.